If you're a Robinhood app user, getting free stocks can be a great way to help boost your Robinhood portfolio. Today I'm going to show you some examples of free stocks I received through Robinhood, as well as show you how you can get started referring your friends to earn free stocks on Robinhood as well. Hey, welcome back guys. This is Eric of everydayinvesting.com, where I'm all about helping connect you with the right financial apps to help you maximize your saving and investing. Today we are talking about the Robinhood free stock feature, where you can get free stock through referring your friends to the Robinhood app. I'm going to do this with you guys here real time with you in person, so you can see the types of free stocks, help give you an idea of what you can expect. Now I will say the free stocks we're going to reveal right now are not guaranteed. Everything is at random for all users, but this just gives you an idea of the types of stocks you can get by referring your friends to join the free Robinhood app. So when you refer your friends to Robinhood, both you and they will receive a free stock, and I'll show you how to get your referral link in just a second. But right now I'm going to show you some free stocks you can expect, and those, when you receive free stocks, they will appear on your homepage right under your Robinhood portfolio chart. So all you have to do to open up your free stocks whenever you refer a friend or a family member, all you're going to do is click on Claim It Now. So since I earned a free stock in Robinhood, it'll then give you your free stock. So let's pick this one here on the left-hand side for right now. I'm going to choose that one. Scrub to reveal. So you're going to scratch it like a little scratcher.
All right.
So I just received one share of PCG worth $12.14. So that's awesome, guys. So that's an example of a stock you might receive. So as you can see, my portfolio value just jumped up right now. If you go to the live tracker of about $12, because it just got that free stock right down here of PCG, which is a PG&E. Okay, so that's PG&E. We got one free share of PG&E. Very nice. All right. So once you claim your first free stock, it may not show up here on the home screen, but to claim it, you can always go to where it says free stock in the top right corner, click on past, and this will show you the past rewards you have from referring members. So I have a couple of rewards here to claim. So let's get through this, guys. We have one claim here. We're going to claim that. Thank you, Edgar, for joining Robinhood. We're going to click this stock here. We're going to scratch it. This is PLUG. Scratch that right there. All right, so we just got one free share of PLUG worth $3.22. You'll see the portfolio jump when we go back right now. So it just jumped up another $3 right there live in real time. We now have one free share of PLUG, which is Plug Power. So as you can see, guys, the value of your free stocks may vary. Some will be $3, some will be $10. It just varies like that. Let's do another one. Also, guys, let's keep track of the portfolio. 3186, just so you know, in real time, you can see the portfolio jumping up by these free stocks. Like I said, this makes it a great way to help boost your portfolio along the way of investing. So let's go to another one. Thank you, Matthew, for joining Robinhood through me. Another free stock here is Washington Prime Group at $3.73. Very nice. We're going to click done there. All right. We got another one here from from Carlos. Thank you, Carlos. We're going to click this free stock here. We're going to scratch that. Sprint. All right. So one free share of Sprint for referring a friend to Robinhood worth $5.25. Very awesome. All right. Got another one here. Thank you, Logan, for joining. All right. So we're going to scratch this one here. Sirius. So that is one free share of Sirius, one free share of Siri, which is for Sirius Radio, $6.87. So again, guys, I'm not doing this to show off. I'm doing this to help give you an idea of the types of free stocks you can expect when joining Robinhood. Let's do another one here. Kind. Thank you, sir. All right. We're going to scratch that there. GLUU Mobile, one free share worth $5.59. So that's awesome. So you're kind of getting the gist here, guys. The stocks are going to be valued from anywhere from $3 to $10, $12, just to give you an idea of the range. One time I did get a free share of Apple stock, which at the time was like $175. So you can get some rare gems if you just keep scratching, if you keep referring friends. You'll never know what you're going to get. Let's hope we get, something like Apple right now. That would be really nice. GoPro, one free share of GoPro worth $4.28. That's awesome. We got another one here by Felixma. Thank you. Thank you, Felixma. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name, guys. Another free share of GoPro, $4.28. Awesome. So again, these guys will just help you boost your portfolio along the way. Another one here by Ryan. Thank you, Ryan, for joining Robinhood through me. All right, one free share of IMGN worth $3.64. Very nice. Another one by Andrew L. Thank you, Andrew, for joining Robinhood. All right. Therapeutics MD, one free share worth $2.37. All right. Awesome. Hey, if it's free stock, you'll take it. I'll take it. No one's going to turn down free stock, whether it's $2 or $100 free stock. Never turn down a free stock. Another share of Sprint, $5.25. Awesome, guys. And feel free to let me know down below in the comments. Share some of the free stocks you received. Share the best free stock you ever received on Robinhood. I'm interested to hear. Mine, like I said, was a share of Apple stock one time. One by Brent. Thank you, Brent, for joining Robinhood. Washington Prime Group, another one of those. It's $3.73. Awesome, awesome. Again, helping boost the portfolio. Rudis. Thank you, Rudis, for joining. I honestly did not know I had this many free stocks, guys. PG&E. All right. One share of PG&E, worth $12.14. Again, that is a great portfolio booster right there. All right, Alec. Thank you, Alec. Again, I do appreciate you all joining Robinhood through me. It is appreciated. GoPro. All right, one share of $4.28. Awesome. Thank you, Alec. All right, we got Lumina. Thank you, Lumina, for joining Robinhood through me as well. All right, let's see what we got here, guys. We got Limelight Networks. One share of Limelight Networks worth $3.94. Awesome, awesome. All right, Dara. Thank you, Dara. Let's see what we got here, guys. Glue Mobile, worth $5.59. Awesome, awesome. All right, we got another one here by Zach. Thank you, Zach. Let's go with this one here on the right side, mix it up a bit. Sprint. So Sprint's a pretty common one. I've gotten a lot of Sprint over the years, free stock through Robinhood. So Sprint is pretty common. You might get Sprint. All right, Eduardo. Thank you, Eduardo. We're coming down to the end here, guys, so just hang on with me a little longer. Catalyst Pharmaceuticals, worth $4.30. Awesome, awesome. All right. Ethan, I think we got just two more, guys. So just hang with me here. Two more. Fitbit. I've gotten Fitbit before. That's a unique one. $6.73. Nice. One free share of Fitbit. One more by Amanda Y. Thank you, Amanda. All right. Fitbit. Another share of Fitbit. It's another popular free stock I hear a lot of people get is Fitbit as well. So I think we're all done there for today. I think we've already claimed, oh no, Isabella. Thank you, Isabella. Let's see what we got here. Fitbit. Fitbit is the stock today. That's 3 Fitbits today. We'll take it. All right, I think we've already claimed Isabella. So that should be it, guys. That should be all the free stocks today. Yes, okay. So sorry I don't have like an extravagant stock like Apple to show you for free today. But hey, again, never turn down free stocks. And again, remember my portfolio, what it was at, guys. Now it's jumped up from $31.86 to $32.87. So that was literally just over $100 in free stocks we just revealed in real time for you guys right now. So again, you could see in real time how that boosted my portfolio. Over the past hour, it's gone up $116. Again, guys, this isn't to show off, but it's just to help give you an idea of the types of free stocks you can expect when referring your friends. So now I want to talk about how you can actually get free stocks just like that for referring your friends to Robinhood to help boost your Robinhood portfolio. So what you want to do is click on free stock again in the top right corner and click on get a free stock, give a free stock. Whenever you refer a friend to join Robinhood, both you and they will receive a free stock, and everyone has a 100% chance to receive a free stock up to $500 per year again. So you can refer as many friends as you want. And again, it does say you can get a share of Apple or Facebook. I've never gotten a share of Facebook, but I have gotten a share of Apple last year in 2018. But there are more common stocks, again, like GE, Ford. Again, I got a couple Fitbits today. So there are more common stocks that are lower in value, but you can get, like I said, occasional gems, and that'll really help boost your portfolio. But hey, again, it's free stock, so never turn down any free stock, even if it's like a $3 stock. It's still be grateful for it. I'm grateful for it, and I appreciate all you joining Robinhood through me. So again, unlimited invites. You can invite as many friends as you want to join Robinhood. So that's how you do it there. Again, you can either click share link and get your custom referral link, which you can share with your friends, or you can invite contacts and send it directly to their contact number. Now again, guys, don't spam people with this. That's not how you do it. Share it with your close friends or family member who are interested in getting started investing or trading stocks. That's how you share your referral link. Don't spam. I never encourage that. I don't like spam. I don't want to ever spam people. Share with people who are already interested in getting started investing or following what you do on Robinhood. So as you can see, the free stocks feature on Robinhood can be a great way to help boost your Robinhood portfolio. Along the way, the stock market will have ups and downs and fluctuations in the market, but if you can get some free stocks coming into your Robinhood portfolio, that'll definitely help keep it afloat, help boost it along the way. Also, guys, if you ever get a stock that you don't like or you don't want, you can easily sell that stock and use the funds from that sale to then invest in stocks that you do want to buy, that you do want to own. So All around, it's a win-win for everybody. It's again completely free to refer your friends. Both they and you will receive a free stock. So definitely, if you're already a Robinhood app user, definitely something to take advantage of. Now, if you do want to get some more free stock, there is another investing app, another free, commission-free stock trading app I like a lot called Webull. Now, Webull currently has a promotion where they offer 2 free stocks to viewers of the everyday investing community. If you want to see the Webull stock trading app, I do have a more full in-depth review. I'll link that video over there to the right, as well as down below in the description box. It's another Robinhood type app with a lot more data, and again, 2 free stocks. Definitely something to look into if you want to get some more free stocks. As always, guys, thank you. I appreciate you watching, and I will catch you all in the next one.